Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you know, there has been a new Season 4 update. Let's get into this. But first, go to the ATMs and use the code LEAVES. It'll give you 5,000 cash. Promise, no scam. Ugh. Alright, let's get into this. So let's enter Season 4 for 2,500 cash. Okay, we entered. Let me just spawn I'm sorry. Let's see. What should we spawn? Let's spawn a robot. Nah. Torpedo, the fastest car in the game. Alright. Please join my group. Don't trip. Oops, drip. Let's rob a Simo. Don't be broke like bad CC. So as you can see, we're level 1 up here on Extreme. Okay, let's use a code. So, copy what I do. Leaves. Redeem, and you should get 5,000 cash. Alright. Let's go rob some stores. So let's get the army helicopter. Wait, let me just turn my graphics on before we do this. As you guys can see, they're robbed, but who cares? There's a place where you can punch. See, you get 5,000 if you really want to do shortcuts. Okay, it's quite laggy. Let me just turn down the graphics a bit. There we go. Now let's get into this. So, Asimo has been tweeting out spoilers. And I'll show you guys that just right now. Alright. So, where is it? I can't really find, oh wait, because I'm in a Bugatti, Torpedo, what am I saying? Okay, let's use an Audi R8. Okay, there we go, boom, okay, now spoilers. UFO. Oh, looks, oh my god, look at that, mad. Okay. As you guys were wondering, you can get these for free. Just watch. So, click on what you want, click on the engine, and then boom. See? This won't slow you down, but it covers the whole of the screen. So I would rather drive in this direction. And yeah, so cool guys. Oh yeah, stay tuned. I'll be giving out a Roblox gift card to one of you guys if you guys subscribe. If you don't subscribe, there will be a spider in your bed tonight. Now let's get the army helicopter and get some guns. And let's rob some stores before... Let's get some guns first before we rob. Alright, so, we need guns to kill cops. Let's lock this so no one steals it. There we go, we should be okay. I see some... Oh yes, museum's open. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. We don't need a jet. Please give me donut. Thank you, grab the cone and stop. Oh, why do they steal my stuff? Naughty, naughty people. Do not steal my stuff. for me, not you. Thank you. I'll take this. And I'll take this. Alright, we should be full. Now let's solve these puzzles. Alright, this guy... Yeah, you go that side, I'll go this side. Alright. Ready? Ready? Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Hey, pull. Go. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. See if I can steal this. Okay, I can't. Come on, let's go. I see some cops. Oh gosh. I should have got my army helicopter. I mean, my jet first. Alright, let's rob the power plant. Is it open? No. Okay, we'll come back to it if it's opened. Right, I think they robbed. Oh yeah, they robbed it. Too late. We need the jet. Now let's rob the trains. Alright, let's see. We need the trains. Power plants not open. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Alright. Please sub. I'll be giving out a Roblox gift card to one of you guys if you sub. And please turn on post notification. Okay, there we go, 6,400. I don't have the XP boost because I don't need it. Because Asimo. Actually, let's buy some, yeah, let's just buy some. Full season, okay. Would you like Robux for the product? No thank you, I don't need any more. I'm fine. Alright. And I like the trees of the map. How, and look at that, that's like fire scorching out of the ground. So cool, fascinating. Wow, this is one of my favorite places. And Asimo. Why did you put a racetrack here? This is one of my favorite hideouts. Alright. So that's basically it. Goodbye, guys, and peace out. Please turn on post notification and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.